This is a Hufflepuff backpack bag. I absolutely love the patches. They look just so cute, very like kind of collegiate looking. The colors are really pretty. There is a cinch on the top, and the bag is quite large. You can fit so much in it. Then you can close it up with a cinch, and then there is a snap that goes to here. Okay. And they like a fake buckle, which actually is super cute. The pockets as well have that fake buckle look with just a snap, and more patches on the bag. The front pockets are just so cute. You can fit some small things in there. Again, same deal, same size. And then the back has a regular hanging strap there, and then the backpack straps here, and they are adjustable to your length. So really sturdy, really comfortable, cute backpack.